Alright guys, balik na naman si Bossing.
Yeah, the order's been waived because we're having a lot of issues.
Okay.
Yeah, so what I can say is the order's been waived. You have to probably talk to your dispatch. Probably have to talk to our transportation team,
Okay.
and then they'll fix out any issues because you've been here, right? So pay and stuff like that. They'll speak to you about that. 'Cause
Okay.
that's our
You're
fault.
gonna compensate me, I guess.
Yeah,
of
they have
course.
to, right? Yeah, of course.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah, so the guy come back and then they said they cannot do anything about it because he took his boss and then he said they just gonna waive the load. That's what he said.
okay, well, I'm gonna just find a place to park for now. I gotta deal with the guy that I gave me the load, so we get paid somehow, and we'll figure it out. An email, I'll see what he says there.
Okay, so I will.
Get $5 million, eh? You know,
What's that?
we'll get $5 million.
Alright guys. Parang nag-aalala ako guys. Ako lang mag-isang truck dito. Parang mali yata yung napasok kong daanan ng truck guys. Kanina pa ako nagdadrive, wala akong makita ng truck eh. Open ito, basta sinusundan ko. First time ko kasing dumaan dito sa Port Erie eh. Dumaan ako doon sa baro, may pulis sa doon, yung Canadian na patrol, hindi naman ako sinita. Kaya tumutuloy-tuloy lang.
1/4 mile, keep right to QEW.
Nag-aalala ako kanina pa eh, parang mali yata, dinaanan ko kanina pa ako ng basahin natin yung mga dadaanan natin. So, trucks.
Keep
sabi
right to
dito.
QEW.
Truck. Ito, truck. Basahin natin yung mga dadaanan natin. First time ko dumaan dito eh. Plastic. Sa kabila. Walang mag-isang truck dumadaan dito. Wala nang iba.
Continue on the current road.
Okay, so Canada yan autos yan, auto, mga kotse, ito naman ang truck. Ikot tayo rito, dun yata palabas ko. Trucks. Ito. Meron bumababang truck din yun. Pinag-alala ko, kala ko ako na lang natitira. Ito. Ito pala. Ito na yung burdo. Alright guys, magabang na naman tayo sa pila. Pinukusan ko na rin yung GPS ko sa sa cellphone para hindi ako maligaw. Tok na ako Meron pa akong sa kalating oras driving doon sa pipikapan ko. Pagtawid ko, hahanap na ako ng tutulugan ko niyan. Alas 10 pa naman bukas ang natin pick up natin. Hapon na kasi ako nag-drive, gawa nga ng tinapos ko pa yung natin sa previous video vlog natin guys, no? Tinapos natin itong tail light natin kasi nag-malfunction. Alright, yan na. Ito. Tayo naman ang susunod. Alright guys, tayo na susunod.
Going to 10 Shorncliffe Road, Etobicoke, Ontario.
Ay, nako.
Continue on the current road.
Malamang padadaanin ako sa ano ko dito guys. Padadaanin tayo sa X-ray. Wala tayong magagawa. Kung may X-ray tayo. Wala naman tayong laman pero pinalagyan ng dispatch ko ng bolt seal kahit walang laman. Is open na siguro yun. Kahit saan naman. Pwedeng buksan, pwede ring lagyan ng seal. Siyempre baka mamaya mag-pick up ako dyan nang hindi alam ng company, no? Kaya pinalalagyan nila ng bolt seal yung ano guys, yung trailer kahit intake kasi minsan may mga driver no na marunong sa kung paano kumuha ng load, pick up. Siyempre hindi alam ng company yon. Yung iba marunong, alam nila kung saan sila magpipick up ng load. Pwede silang kumuha ng load sa Amerika, magde-deliver din sa Amerika, pero bawal yun. Kung nahuli ka, yari ang company. But anyway guys, tayo na. Kaya yun ang reason kaya minsan pinapalagyan nila ng ano to, pinapalagyan nila ng sealed kahit na empty, walang laman. Papalitan pa yata sila. Naglulos tong aking ano. Training yata guys, training. Good evening.
How long were you away?
Since the 29th,
Where did you go?
Johnstown, New York.
And is anything in the trailer now?
Empty, but dispatch told me to put seal on it, so there's a seal in there.
So the same trailer came back with you?
Yes.
Did you buy or receive anything?
No.
Oh, jeez. See? You'll have to show me. Yeah.
Thank you. Alright. Arches. So, bali training siya. Training. Okay, so
The two smaller flanking circles.
training si Madam, training. Training si Madam. Nangyari yun sa akin. Let's go guys, hanap tayo ng tutulugan natin. Bago lang si Madam, training siya ni Sir. Alright guys, officially Canada na naman tayo na. Let's roll. Kaya pala matagal kasi training siya. That's it. This is how I do. Naririnig ko yung mga sinasabi nila eh. Hindi nila sinarado yung pintuan eh. Yung window nila eh. Okay. Truck pay toll in lane 1 and 2 only. Okay. Ibabayaran pa pala tayo rito. Oh, may babayaran pa. May babayaran pa tayo guys dito pala. Debit credit. Babayad pa tayo rito guys. Babayad pa. Good morning. Oh, hindi na. Automatic na pala ako. Meron pala akong easy. Pala akong easy pass. Welcome to Ontario. Ayan na guys, yung malaking sign ha. Yun. Welcome to Ontario yun ta. Open for business. Let's go. Hanap tayo ng ano guys, hanap tayo ng tutulugan natin for the night. Bukas na lang ulit tayo magmaneho. Gabi na eh. Alas 10 pa naman ang pick up ko eh. Okay na yan. Yes, good morning guys. Dito na ako sa pick upan natin. Yung kanina dyan kasi ako nakapark. Mas sarap ng tulog ko kasi alas 2 na ako nakarating dito eh. Ng madaling araw. Lakas ng kalampag nung lalaki sa akin. Malis ka yan kasi meron akong taong pupunta dyan, yung mga empleyado daw nila. Bug. Kala ko na eh. Ang lakas, nagulat ako. Pero syempre tumabi lang kasi ako dun sa parkingan doon. Ngayon lumipatan na ako dito. Kaya nagising na ako. So ang gagawin ko na is buksan ko na yung trailer ko kasi kumatok na ako doon eh. Sabi pwede ko na daw buksan yung trailer ko at luludan na lang daw nila ako pagka ready na. Kaya tara, break natin yung cell kasi empty naman tayo pero may cell pa rin. Tapos pas na tayo, tara. Okay, ganyan lang pala yan. Kahit wala kasing laman to, pag sinabi ng dispatch na, ano eh, lagyan ng seal. Kailangan natin lagyan ng seal. May mga debris, pulutin ko na lang muna yan. Tapon natin. Kunting debris lang naman yan. Kung ko yung basurahan nila at ilapit ko rito yung basurahan to. Kunting debris lang naman to guys. Trabaho. Hindi naman nila sinabing hugasan ko, hindi ako nagpahugas. Hindi naman madumi masyado. Mga debris lang. Pulutin na lang kita. All right. Alam nyo naman ako guys, pag sinabihan nila akong hugasan mo eh. Kaso wala naman silang sinabi, kaya ang akala ko dry load ang pangarga ko eh. Mukhang karne ito eh. Okay. Tapos puntan na lang daw nila ako dyan sa loob ng truck. Inidor daw eh. Hi! Back here? Oh, okay. Yan pala. Yung sabi ko sa po kanina, umatras ka kahit anong door na. Sabi niya eh. Atras na ako, tapos tulog muna ulit ako. tayo sa tulugan guys. Wala, I'm just gonna grab my phone.
Okay, yeah, don't worry.
Okay. Okay. This?
POC. This 4 ounces. One number is there. Second way. What is that? PO63 431. 16. What number is that?
63431.
I don't know what it is, man.
Huh?
I don't know what it is. We change the system. Let me take a picture. I can find it, but I come back.
Okay, hold on. The whole thing?
Yeah.
Oh god, it's not so. Oh, okay. 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 What is the temperature?
I don't know. I don't know
Okay.
what it is.
Okay, you're gonna go check first?
Yeah.
Okay, sure. I'm gonna wait here then. Okay. Hindi niyo makita yung PO number. Nakatulog ulit ako guys, bali alas 8. Kanina gumising tayo alas 6. Tapos 8:30 na, so alas 8:30. Tulog. Antay ako guys, antayin ko lang. Alright guys, naglakad ako habang nandito tayo sa dock. Pumunta ako sa ano, sarado ko pa kasi nabuksan ko kanina. Pumunta ako dito sa ano, sa groceryan dito malapit. Ang pangalan ng groceryan is Food Basic. Ayan guys pa. Bali patay. Tanggal yata yung aking headset. Bali ano, 10 minutes walk. 0.5 miles. Kulang-kulang 1 kilometro. Yung one way pabalik. Hindi mo ng ano 1.5 kilometro yung linakad ko. So 10 minutes papunta, 10 minutes din pabalik. Bumili ako ng ano pagkain ko kasi wala nang. Ang bilis ko sa pagkain guys. Alam nyo naman, hindi ako nagda-diet eh. Kumakain talaga ako at nag-i-exercise. So bumili tayo ng ito, raspberry. Alright, raspberry. Mura lang itong raspberry na to. Nakagastos din ako ng bali $42. Tapos broccoli. Ayan. Broccoli binili ko. Dalawa. Para naman meron tayong fiber. Tapos mix veggies. Ating fiber. Tapos of course manok. Bumili ako ng lutong manok kasi wala tayong lutuan dito. Kaya Laging lutong chicken yung binibili ko. Ang bilis ko sa chicken din, gawa nga ng siyempre ito yung source of protein ko talaga. Pero tinatanggal ko yung ano guys, tinatanggal ko talaga siya yung skin niya, hindi ko kinakain. Once in a while ganyan, kakainin ko. Pero hindi, sa isang buong manok na to, pag binili kong ito, baka yung chicken lang na makakain ko, no? Marami yung chicken yan eh. Ay, yung skin yan, yung skin lang makakain ko, dun sa, baka sa hita lang yung daras itatapon ko na. Para sa ganun hindi masyadong mataas ang cholesterol. Okay. Tapos bumili ako ng kape, parang masarap itong ganitong klase ng kape oh. Instant coffee kaya ito guys. Baka mamaya hindi instant coffee, bibili pa talaga tayo ng ano, yung pang blend na ano. Tapos bumili ako ng 2 palad na baka. Oh. Ayan. $5.43 yan, baka. So ilalagay ko lang diyan habang inaantay ko sila na maludan tayo. Tagal nila. Pagod din ako dun ha. Yes.
Hey, how are you? Did anyone check you in?
Huh?
Did anyone check you in?
Yeah, there's a guy here earlier.
How long ago was that?
It's been 8 a.m.
You've been since your age?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you have a picture of your POs I can take?
Yeah. I also went inside to ask them.
Yeah.
They said they will get back to me.
Yeah.
So I have to go back to sleep too.
Okay.
Hold on. Okay, so the PO is 63431.
Sorry. Do you have a? Can I see the thing?
There you go. No, the other guy who also did that, the same thing what you're doing.
Oh, you took a picture.
Yeah.
So you're only here for one PO, right?
Yeah, it's one PO going to Regina.
Okay. Regina?
Yeah, that's what it says. Look.
Loblaws?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it says consignee is Loblos.
Wait, so you're here for lamb or like the lamb company, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is this the right area?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought
Okay.
it's not. Then-
That's okay. Okay, thank you. I'll try to confirm this, okay?
okay.
Thank you.
I already back in, right? So
yeah,
I
yeah,
guess.
it's fine. Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
thank you. Like this. Bumalik na naman. Pangalawa na naman yan. Anong oras ba? Delivery ko rito. Pick up ko rito. 11:11. 12:00 na rin kasi. 12:18 na. Nidlip na naman ako. Naantok pa kasi ako eh. Tulog ulit tayo. Wala na yan. Tulog ulit. Hi Slim, how are you?
Good.
Yeah, so I got the guy here, the shipping. They said the load is cancelled.
Hey,
They are saying here the load is cancelled.
why is it canceled?
You wanna speak with the guy? Oh, yeah, it's,
yeah, 'cause-
you are in speaker. Can hear you.
Okay.
Hello?
How come the load is canceled, man?
Cancel daw ang load guys. Wala, tapos tayo nito. Hindi rin alam ng dispatch ko, cancel pala yung load. Kaya pala ang tagal na nilang gawin. Kaya pala ang tagal nila.
So I was supposed to look
Kausap nila ngayon yung dispatch ko, guys.
inform my boss.
Sila ang siyempre hindi ko naman madidesisyon na yun, kundi sila lang talaga yan. Titirahin nila ng sila nag-uusap. Ako lang yung I'm just a driver do. I'm just the driver.
Okay. All right, Nestor. Well, I'm gonna phone the guy who gave me the load. See what he says.
Yeah, can you give him a call and I will.
Yeah, I'm gonna phone him right now.
Okay, and then I'll give my boss another call to see like if maybe
Yeah.
we have anything at all, or like if it is being confirmed that we're gonna ship it for another day.
Okay.
Okay, sorry about that.
Okay.
Okay, man.
So give me 5 minutes.
Okay.
I'll call again. Make sure everything.
All right. You
I
come
don't
back?
know Yeah, I don't know if everything's gonna be shipped for another day or something. So I just want.
For sure. Okay. Sana naman Sana naman, guys. Sana naman meron o kaya kung makancel ito, mag-pick up ako sa iba kasi matagal na akong hindi nakakauwi. Gusto ko na rin umuwi, diretso Regina to eh. New York to Regina eh. Pamilya, kaya lang gusto na makita ang pamilya natin. Talaga. Dinatamad nga ako eh. Higa ako ng higa eh. Napagod ako sa paglalakad kaganina eh. Lakad tayo, lakad. Alam niyo naman ang lakay tracker, guys. Pag may pagkakataon, lakad. Kapag ka na-drain yung energy ko, hilata. At least pagod, no? Ay, nako. Pero kung sakali man na cancel ito, walang problema. Wala tayong magagawa. Pero syempre meron na akong load information dito. Nakaupo na ako dito ng matagal. Meron na tayong maniningil na ako ng maniningil na ako ng ang tawag nito, expenses, yung mga tinatawag na wait time o whatever you call that. Maniningil na tayo sa kanila ng bayad. Isingilin ko kahit cancel yung load ko. Compensation, kumbaga compensation. Yun ang tamang tamang sagot doon kapag kaganito, kasi meron talaga akong load information na bigay ng dispatch sa akin, and in some reason ayan nga na cancel daw. Nag-usap sila. Wala naman ako magagawa tungkol dyan, gawa nga na siyempre I'm just the driver. Yun nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Taga-drive lang, delivery guy lang tayo, at sila yung pinaka nag-uugnay dyan, which is yung dispatch, saka dito yung customer. Pero siyempre ginagawa natin yung trabaho natin bilang driver. So pagka yung mga ganitong pagkakataon, i-compensate tayo, sisingil tayo ng compensation. At antay lang ako ulit. Alright guys, balik na naman si Bossing.
Yeah, the order's been waived because we're having a lot of issues.
Okay.
Yeah, so what I can say is the order's been waived. You have to probably talk to your dispatch. Probably have to talk to our transportation team,
Okay.
and then they'll fix out any issues because you've been here, right?
Yeah.
So pay and stuff like that, they'll speak to you about that. 'Cause
Okay.
that's our
You're
fault.
gonna compensate me, I guess.
Yeah,
of
they have
course.
to, right? Yeah, of course.
Because I was in New York, you know.
Yeah.
My dispatch told me, go, you have a pickup tomorrow. He texted me around 5 in the evening. So
Yeah.
from New York all the way here in Ontario is about 6 hours drive.
Yeah.
So I drove last night, and then I arrived here at 2 AM in the morning.
Yeah.
So I actually make an effort to make it here so that I don't want to get late, you know.
Oh, yeah.
And then that's
no,
what
you're
happened.
you're super early, man.
I was
it's-
I have no issue with that super early as long as I get the load, but
Yeah. But
unfortunately that's the
Sorry.
problem.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just gonna tell them then.
Yeah, and then they would have to talk to our transport team and figure out all the nuances. So.
Okay, so that's it then. So you talk to your manager or your boss that
Yeah.
the pickup is canceled or
It's been
the
waived.
wave.
It's been waived. Yeah.
Okay, so what does that mean if they waive the load? They still pay the whole amount?
I don't know, because I think then they would have to still charge for the cancellation fee and stuff. That's like more.
For them.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's upper management.
All right, man. I'm just gonna call them and ask them where to going, or because it's Saturday right now. It's hard to find load. I guess it's Saturday and
like,
Sunday.
we're not supposed to be here, but we're just trying to get everything out, right? So,
Okay.
all right, man.
All right.
Sorry.
Okay. Thank you to let me know. I'll let my dispatch know too. Okay. Alright guys, at least mas maganda yung wave. The load has been waived. Ibig sabihin, bayad pa rin kahit na kumbaga hindi basta at least kahit paano may compensation tayo. Bukod sa waiting time, may compensation kasi nga siyempre cancel ang load eh. Ewan ko ano sasabihin sa akin ng dispatch ko. Pagkape muna ako. Bungaring ko muna yung sarili ko, guys. Wala, makakauwi na sana kasi sa sablay naman. They pay me more than wait time, I guess. Alright. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the guy come back and then they said they cannot do anything about it because he took his boss and then he said they just gonna waive the load. That's what he said.
Okay, well, I'm gonna just find a place to park for now. I gotta deal with the guy that I gave me the load, so we get paid somehow, and we'll figure it out.
Okay, so yeah, well, that's how it is, I guess.
I know it sucks. Like it's
Yeah, because you said to me last night, oh, chop chop. That's why I'm in hurry, you know.
Yeah, because it was supposed to load at 11 o'clock today. You know what I mean? But now,
Yeah, that's
at
why.
11 o'clock, if you had issues, you should have told me then. Then we would have known a lot better.
Yeah, I know. That's why.
Okay.
I drive in
I
the.
sent an email. I'll see what he says there.
Okay, so I will.
Get $5 million,
What's that?
We'll get $5 million.
We will
We'll make
get-
some YouTube videos there. You can make money making videos.
All right, now I'm just gonna look for a place right now to park.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. Slim pala, biro talaga. Ayan ngayon sabi niya sa akin, chop-chop sabi niya sa akin, talaga ora-orada ako. But anyway, ano natin magagawa? Tara. May malapit na truck stop dito. Doon na muna tayo. YouTube videos. Alright guys. May hilig kayo manood sa vlog ng Lakay, kaya kayo ganyan nangyayari sa atin eh.
Navigate on road, then turn right.
Tara, sarado muna natin guys. We're getting 5 million bucks. Gusto ko ang dalo. We're getting 5 million bucks. YouTube videos daw. We're getting 5 million bucks. Paktay ang Lakay. Stranded na naman tayo rito.
Sa'yo sabi niya, magpuli niya ng gulong.
Oh.
Oo, isa ko yun. Sabi ko sa kanya, palitan niyo na ng lock or lagyan niyo na ng lock yung storage
Turn right at the
para
traffic light.
doon ko mailagay yung mga gulong ni Paipay. Gusto ko nang maglinis dito sa bahay. Gusto ko nang hinanap ng mga to eh. Sabi ko nang gano'n.
I-dispose.
Ngayon, oo.
Nabakuran na ba niya yung ano? Nabakuran na niya ba?
Napakuran na, alam mo yung ano, alam mo yung
May bakod na, okay.
nila ni ano.
Alright guys, yan. Dito na tayo sa truck stop. Mayroon tayong kasamang ayan, company driver din. Pero yung truck na yan, may-ari daw ng kaibigan niya, owner operator, kaya idrin na drive niya. Lumapit siya sa akin dito para mag-say hi. Parehas na kami nandito, pero ang sabi niya sa akin is he got a load for Monday. Ako sabi ko wala pa kasi nga na ano nga yung load ko, sabi ko nga na cancel nga. Pero at least kita paano i-wave, hindi ko alam kung magkano yung makukuha ko. Pero sabi naman ni Slim, ito naman si Slim pala, pero we are taking them 5 million bucks. Loko-loko. Hindi mangyayari yun. Isang beses ka na lang magkaroon ng ganun. Hindi ibig sabihin mayaman ka na, ba't tracking ka pa, no? But anyway guys, yan ang sinasabi ko. Big shout out na lang sa'yo if you watch this video. Siya, nandyan siya. Pag ma-watch niya tong video, okay, so shout out sa'yo my friend. Alright, anyway guys, wala. Tapos na rin ako dito kumain. At medyo 30 minutes na rin ako dito. Walang magawa, kaya babalik na naman ako sa igan. Siguro putulin ko na vlog ko ngayon dito guys. Hanggang dito na lang muna tayo. But anyway, thank you for watching. Mag-ingat kayo lagi, ano. Salamat sa panonood nyo sa mga vlog ko. Ayan. Sayang na purnada yung load natin. Pauwi na sana ng Winnipeg. Makakadaan na sana tayo ng bahay muna. Although yung load na yun sana is going to Regina. Maganda-ganda sana yun eh. Tiba-tiba sana tayo, kaso cancel naman. But anyway, thank you guys. Ingat kayo lagi. I love you all guys. Peace out. Bye bye.
Lakai Tracker.